In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Capcut video editor app on an Android smartphone. So if you're having challenges with your Capcut, maybe it is not opening or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve that. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app information, and you can easily do this through your settings. So if we go to settings here, scroll down and look for apps, and here it is. Tap on it to open. Then look for the option called Manage Apps. And this will open up all the apps you have on your smartphone. Then from here, look for your Capcut app. And here it is. Tap on it to open. Now we are interested in this app information page. That's where we shall do our troubleshooting. Alternatively, you can use a shortcut method to reach here. And to do so, all you need to do is to long press on Capcut, and then you'll see app information. Tap on it, and you see we have landed on the same page. We want to clear data for this app, and if we go to storage and look for cache, you can see we have a lot of cache files on our app. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of accumulation of these cache files. Cache files are usually small files that are usually stored on your app to enhance performance. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So go ahead and clear data. You can see the clear data button is still here. And then tap on clear cache. From here, tap on OK. And then you can see our cache has been cleared. Now go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening your Capcut app. At this point, it should now work fine. But should you still experience any problem, or should you still find the problem hasn't been solved, then you might want to go ahead and troubleshoot your app through Play Store. To do that, go to Play Store and look for Capcut. And here is our app. Tap on it to open. From here, look for any update. If it is available, you will see it here. Go ahead and install the latest version of your app and then open it. This should solve majority of the problem that you are experiencing with Capcut. But should you still have a challenge, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall the app totally and then install it afresh. At this point, you have to log in afresh and everything should run smoothly. But should you still face a challenge, then you might want to go ahead and contact Capcut and find out if they have any problem or they are experiencing any challenge from their end. So by following any of these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot your Capcut successfully. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.